boys, girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, and we have a quick one here with Moroney and Ed Sheeran. Okay, a little bit different from Ed Sheeran here. This vibe in the song, it's called I Only Miss You. Very simple, guys. 3 chords, same chord progression through the entire song. We love that scenario. Let's go into it and look into the capo here. We have this placed on 4th fret, absolute best scenario with easy chords and matching with the sound. So, capo on 4th if you have. Let's go through the 3 chords, and we're gonna start with G. So that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Next chord is C, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the third and final chord is the D add 4. It's the exact same grip as C, you just slide up to this position. So you place your ring finger on the 5th fret A, mid finger on the 4th fret D, then open G, and then index on 3rd B. Try to stay away from the last E string, or actually both E strings, of course. So that is what I suggest, to play in the middle here of the strings. If you go down all the way, it doesn't hurt too much, but yeah, I would stay away from it for this specific song. That's the 3 chords, and the order of this chord progression will be G, C, the D add, back to C, and back to G. So it both starts and ends on G. Now, let's go into the strumming. So grab the first chord G, and 1 string around goes like this. So it's 1 down, then down up, and then up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. All right. So you're gonna play G, 2 string rounds, then C, 2 string rounds, then the D add, 1 string round, back to C, 1 string round, and then the G, 2 string rounds. Sometimes you play just 1 round in the end there of the last G plus 1 down and the pause, and that is just before the choruses. So 1 string round plus 1 down and the pause instead of 2. That's just before the choruses, otherwise it's 2 in the end there. So let's do 1 round together with G2, C2, D1, C1, and G2. Very simple, guys. Nice and easy, steady, slow motion. That's how I handle I Only Miss You. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Support me here on the channel. I love you and I work hard for you, so thank you and back. So have a nice one and play tuned.